Hey guys, got an unboxing here for the Razer Kraken headset. Let's pop it open, see what we got. Alright, fancy little box here. Looks good. It's nice thick foam across the headband and the earpieces. Nice ear well. Metal case, aluminum probably. Nice fabric braided cable. You got your volume control and your mute. Okay. Anything else in here? We got a audio and mic splitter for if your computers are set up like that. And then we've got the hardware. Or not the hardware, wow. The paperwork, documentation, the owner's manual, some might call it. I'm being defeated by a plastic band. A couple of stickers. So, yeah, it just goes through how to use a headset, which I think most of us know how to use a headset. The thing that I like about this one, which is why I ordered this one in particular, the mic retracts. So when you're not playing a game that you need a mic, you can just roll it in out of the way. It's got adjustable headband for people with different sized heads. But yeah, I've tried these on before and my ears kind of stick out a lot, so I tend to have a lot of pain when I'm when I have a headset on if they're not set up right. But these ones actually, because of how deep the ear well is, puts the pressure on the side of my head and not on my ear, so I can game a lot longer with these. So I'm excited to give these a shot. Again, this is the Razer Kraken headset. Yeah, you can go check them out. Thanks, guys.